Y'all, the early bird gets the worm. I got some tacos. And everybody else got to eat that dry cereal and some noodles. That's the big drop. And I always wake up at a certain time in the morning. So I always get breakfast. Yeah, I'll get breakfast. I don't got to eat that dry cereal. I get to eat some tacos. I don't want to eat no dry cereal anyway. Because, yeah, I already knew that. They was up all night. Jada was up all night. Then she was up this morning, ate some noodles, then went to bed. The boys, well, Justin should be up. Justin should have been up because he went to sleep last night with me. We went to sleep at the same time. I don't know how you ain't wake up when I woke up. Then we could have both got some tacos or whatever he wanted. But they sleep. I want to eat some tacos. I'm happy because I didn't want to eat that dry cereal anyway. I'm not joking, bro. But real, that cereal be dry. The only thing you taste is milk. Milk. I don't want to taste no milk. I don't know. They got me tripping. But they still should have woke up. Because all I know is I'm going to get down today. Period. I said, period. Okay. All right now. Toodles.